Hello guys. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see properly? Properly. Hello YouTube, hello Twitch. Guys, for less of a delay, you can go to Twitch. I'm also gonna make Twitch nice for us, get emotes and stuff and all nice things we can use. Hey, I'm doing very well, and you guys? Okay, that is good. That is good. We got news today. Hey, let's get this webcam on. Let's get the webcam on. Properties. There you go. There's my pretty face. And yeah, there we go. Let me do this. Let me make it bigger. Let us make the circle bigger. You requested from our website, T1FX Team, you requested, and Stefan will give you access. Copy. Let me do this. Rejection at the resistance, you mean support? You mean the support? Ah, resistance, oh my god. Yes, sorry. I'm looking at gold at the bottom. Yes, we have some rejection at this order block over here. Let me pull it to the left. It's not really. I don't think this will be the main, like maybe this one. I don't know, we'll see. Let's use the most recent data. We also on above the VWAP. So it's starting to break above the VWAP line. Tell me, who's using the trade ideas? Is someone using the trade ideas, and how are you guys doing with it? Guys, imagine this block turning red. Eat both times, prof. Okay. So we almost. I'm gonna sell on gold for CPI. Like if I look at the data, it's the CPI year to year is forecasted more. CPI month to month forecasted more. Now, if it comes out in this line, where it's this much more, gold will sink. But if I'm wrong, I'm gonna lose 1,000 euros. I'm risking only 1,000 euros. So if the stuff is wrong, then the data is wrong, I will lose 1,000 euros. Ja, kom ons gaan kyk gou daarso. No problem. No problemo, sir. Guys, I'm just quickly closing the charts up here to get this one in. Oh, I didn't need to log in. Back to dashboard. We want to go to the calendar. We're going high impact for today. I want to filter this out. I only want United States. Thank you. Thank you. Forecasting more. Okay. So assets with analysis. Where is it giving the buy? It should be giving a sell. So where is it giving a buy, guys? Maybe on USD JPY it will give a buy. No, it gives a sell here. Huh, not sure. Just clarify there. Where does it give a buy? Or is it on gold? Yeah, but look, where is it giving the buy? Can you see? So this analysis comes from the bot I'm testing actually pulled this in as well. But look where price is now. Okay. Where's the gold price now? 4766. They're giving the buy at 4707. So if CPI can push it to 4707, which will be awesome for me because I'm going to sell, right? Then obviously you can trigger and look at the buy. So look at where it gives the buy position at 4707. The bot did place this for me. So I have the buy limit in at 4707. But look where price is now, $60 above. So it still needs to drop $60. Now, come I tell you, if gold drops $60 and I'm in there, I'm risking 1,000. That means I will make 6,000 euros. So I'm praying it opens that order today for CPI. Do I think there will be a spike on CPI? Definitely. We're going to see a spike, guys. Do not risk it. You can just trade the MSG method. No need to risk it on CPI. I'm just going to risk it. I like trading CPI. So I'm going to take the risk. You guys can watch me either succeed or fail. You guys can sit back. You guys don't need to risk anything. I will do the risking for us. So yeah, I do kind of agree with this buy, definitely. But all the data, even on our calendar and investing.com's calendar, all showing sell on gold. So all these calendars must be wrong, which is very possible because we know the fucking market likes manipulating shit. Everyone's going to sell it and the market pushes up. I've been getting some great feedback for the T1 Traders Hub analysis. All right, so guys, come and check it out. Come have fun, come test it. It's free. The guys are enjoying it. They are saying it's fire this month. It's 100% free. These are all the ideas that was given today. USD, JPY, gold, everything. It was all these trade ideas. Here's gold. All these trade ideas were given today. So this will keep you lekker busy. Also, we are live again, Lord. Come and join our lives. The link is in my bio here on TikTok for T1 Traders Hub. It's 100% free for you guys to try and test it out. Put it on a demo account maybe if you want to. Test it out, try it. If you love it, then join us. Right, guys, did I put that video out right? First try it. If you love it, then join us. Okay. That TikTok come out, right? Guys, isn't it weird watching me make a TikTok and then looking at the TikTok later and then realizing, okay, that's how he makes his TikTok. He's just talking to people. I'll answer that now. When do you know when to enter? So you're going to go to one. Can you see here? This is where the key level is. That's the stop loss. And that's the targeted area. Okay. Can you guys get FIB tool settings? Yeah, sure. So it's just the FIB. I'm going to put it all over. You don't actually need any of these numbers. You can just use the 0.5 and 0.618. The rest you can actually take out. You can use this the 0.32. This one, the 382. That's fine. But I just target the golden zone. So you can actually remove all the levels and you can just put in 0.50. And you do it by doing this. So I think I can just check mark that, 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 check mark that. Let's see. Yeah. Here you go. So you can actually, your tool can actually just look like this. So that if we want to check the golden zone for the move up, it will be from the bottom to the top. Okay. And there's your golden zone. Only one zone. So you can untick everything except 0.50 and 0.618. I'm going to have it here for you guys again. Take a screenshot. This is all that's ticked by me. Actually, I can untick this too. Actually, we can antique this too. We can antique everything. Just 0.5, 0.618. And there we have it. So then, when you pull your fib in from the bottom to the top, it just gives you the golden zone. There it goes. Plain simple. I only use this zone. You can use the other levels. They do respect it sometimes. But I like to use the golden zone only. You can enter it on 5 minutes as well. The price stays the same, right? If you enter on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, price stays absolutely the same. Prof, waar sê Jay? O, daar's die link. Traders Hub, T1 Traders Hub. Yes, he doesn't know if I'm going to make confused. It's free to use for you guys. Check it out. All we do is you have to just be affiliated with us by XM. That's it. And then the economic calendar is free. You don't even have to be affiliated. You can just use it. Thank you, Jay. Prof, regarding trading suggestions on Traders Hub analysis, if target zones have not been reached, especially entry targets by the time it reaches expiry, does the nullify the trade altogether? Yes, it nullifies the trade altogether. Once it expires, even when you are in the trade and you are running in profit or a loss, if it expires, you should exit. As soon as it expires, you leave it. Chanel Lang, ons join die klas Sondag. Sondagmiddag het ons 'n lekker klas oor MSG 2 uur. Ons gaan 'n lekker lang klas hê. So join Sondag, vra julle vra, laat ek julle meer help met die MSG method. Rejection on the top again. Yes, you are correct. Thank you. I've set up an account and deposited, but I'm not affiliated. What can I do? So you can contact support to get you affiliated, but the easiest thing to do is you just add another additional trading account, Evil Chicken, on your XM. It's the same XM account. You just log in. Then you add another trading account because you can have like 10 trading accounts. And then you just use the partner code T1000. And then that account will be affiliated. And then you can just move the funds from your one trading account to that one. And then you get money back for every trade you take. You guys get money back for every trade you take that's open longer than 3 minutes. Must be open longer than 3 minutes. Then you can, if you close it, you get money back every morning, 4 a.m. the next day. The previous day's trades gets added to your e-wallet on XM. Waar kan ons die link kry? Ek kan dit op Telegram vir julle, is dit? Boeta, kan jy net vir ons die T1 Traders Hub? Okay, toe maar ek doen dit gou. Copy. Waar is Telegram? Oor die link na YouTube. Ja, definitief ek sal. Ek sal die link na YouTube na die klas, Sondag 2 uur, op die Telegram groep sit vir julle. No problem. Guys, how long before CPI? At full 10 minutes. That's genius. Yes, that's a nice thing. Like, you can only use this confidence. I use 60, but you guys can use 80. So you can actually, by the filters, you can set how confident the confidence level in the trade. I use 60, but you can use 80. That means they are very, very sure about the trade. But like today, there's only 3. One on gold, one on copper, and one on Eurosec. So, yeah. I use 60, get a bit more, but 80 is perfect. It's less, but more on point. Guys, I don't see this as the break, as the green block break. I don't like it. It's not a proper break. You guys know then we don't take it. So I'm not going that this is a buy. Yes, you still get your bonus. It moves the bonus with. Me too. I got 2 baby ones in. No, I lie. 4 baby ones in. But these are for the news events. I'm only trading on the news event account, as I will be risking the account. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a sell, guys. It's very high risk seeing the bull movement. Since 11 a.m. this morning, gold has just been bullish. So, yeah, 3 hours non-stop being bullish. So let's see. We'll see what happens, guys. We will see. You guys don't have to risk it. You can wait. I mean, if you don't have a lot, don't risk it, guys. News trading is very high risk. Very, very high risk. Guys, I'll be right back. My naam is Gili en ek gaan gou rook. I just want to have a smoke. I'll be right back with you guys. So far, the sell is doing great. My stop loss is just above that block. My stop loss is just above here. So far, our sell is doing great. 100 pips. Pipalicious. That's it, Brad. That is it. So once again, I will from now on only use the FIP. We only have the golden zone 0.5 and 0.68. So let's just put it in and see, because we kind of need it to break this goal. Oh, we have it in flip. I forgot already. Five more minutes, guys, until news. My stop loss is just above this block, so if it goes south, thank the Lord, I will not be losing that much. My TV is kind of, we'll see what it does here at the golden zone. Hopefully it just spikes past and breaks this thing to the downside. I'm going to put it on the 1 minute so we can see the spike. Hopefully it's a long red spike. Ja, MSG is eintlik rooi. MSG 2 blok's actually rooi. Prof, doen jy training? Ja, ons gaan Sondag bietjie training doen. Guys, do not risk it. It's very high risk having a trade in now. In the next 2 minutes, we will see some great movement. Ja, ons gaan training hierso doen op Twitch en YouTube. Okay, technically, yeah, 100 pips in the profit. I'm being pure greedy, not taking profits and risking it. But the nice thing is, I moved my stop losses to break even now. I got in at the very point, so. Nee, you can't enter buy, so we'll see what it does here. I just put it in so that we can know where it is. But yeah, you guys can rather wait for the MSG block to do its thing. For the small accounts, like do not, guys. It's very high risk. I can't tell you what to do with your stuff, but it's very high risk. So let's see. How much time left? 45 seconds. Guys, till this day I get excited for news events. It's the only time I get excited for trading is when there's nice news events. Nice entry we got already. Stop losses on break even. Let's hope she spikes down more. Let's see. All right, guys. 15 seconds. Uh-oh. She's moving up. No. I don't like it. I don't like it. It takes me out on break even. Takes me out on break even, guys. I'm sad. Takes me out on break even. But all the news is actually good for the dollar. No, it's red, good, bad, good, bad. So this thing might actually drop. No. It might actually drop. Should I enter? Should we not enter? I don't know. I don't think we enter here, guys. Technically, the news did come out good for the dollar. It's 0.6% more than last month. This one is the same as last month. And this one is 1.1% more than last month. So it can actually, this could actually just be a sweep and then come down. What I don't like is the fact that it broke this block. But now it's resisting of this level over here. Let's pull a line in. Let's see if it breaks this level. Then we know gold actually wants to buy. What is oil doing? Standing still. Bitcoin kind of standing still. Stocks climbing as well. Still rejecting kind of this level. Oh, this is no longer the golden zone. But price is staying here, which say it wants to go up. So yeah, let's see. However, this is a nice break though. For the green block. Man, we should have listened to MSG 3 buy instead of the fucking news events. I lost some money because it didn't close immediately. It closed like, yeah, I lost like fucking 160 euro. So I actually want to kind of get in and just make it back. I think we're going to wait for the turning point. And then we'll pull out the fib again. Put it on a higher time frame here by me. Maybe it actually wants to move to 4.8 and then come down. I'm not sure. Maybe it wants to go to 4,800. Nice. We can remove this now. That spike is down. Kind of retesting our zone over here. Ja, so geil. Wat is nie eens te sê ek kan na daai golden zone toe gaan nie. That's the problemo. I'm gonna wait for it to see what it wants to do, and then I want to get back in because I'm now down 100 and something euro for the day. I don't like it. Why? How would you? So, hold on. So Frank is asking something. How would you draw the new fib in the current price breakout? You have two options. You're either going to take the breakout structure over here, right? This is a breakout structure. You're going to take the breakout structure, which meaning from this low to that. And you guys will see it actually did come to the golden zone. Okay, now that's option one. And then option two is you take the whole move from the bottom to the top. So if it breaks this golden zone area, we know it's going to come back to at least to here. But look how quickly it rejected it. So that is what I will do over there. So that's your two options that you're going to be sitting with. But ultimately, the news was very good for the dollar, actually. This will also be the breakout high level of the MSG3. This is the breakout high. Dollar is getting stronger against the currency pairs now. Yeah, it's not more volatile, but it moves quicker, like your trade, the value of your trade. Speaking about it, what did silver do? Silver is already falling. And USD JPY is already buying back up. Nice manipulation there, guys. Nice. Hey, Michele Byte is klaar. In the golden zone currently, of the first of the breakout structure, the last move up. Kind of rejecting there again. And it's on the new support, because resistance gets broken, and support. So let's see if this is going to become a verified support level. Stocks is okay. I like oil. Oil is nice for small accounts because you can risk cents and make cents with 0.01. So oil is actually, I love oil actually. It's very beginner friendly actually. It's a nice commodity to trade as oil. I'm not sure what gaan gebeur. I know it's coming down a bit. So it has been coming down a bit. How far down, I'm not sure. The news came out good for the dollar, and the dollar is strengthening currently. It's strengthening across all currency pairs now. I'm looking at it. There it's dipping again against the currencies. Dipping against the currencies. The chili bite is klaar. Fucking iced tea is klaar. Ja man. Sprite zero tea. Wacht het. Oh, guys, we need an entry. I also need an entry. But yes, Bretzy. In that zone now, looks like it might break it. I think gold's gonna come down. But let's see. Man, if I didn't put stop loss in, I could have held this flippant drawdown and be back in profit. Shit happens. Now, if price closes below this block and it doesn't break back above here, it's a great indication price will at least come to over here. So meer op Twitch stream braai. Want daar's net soos 'n 2 sekonde, 3 sekonde delay max op Twitch, waar YouTube se delay kan nogal sê. Yeah, the sales are coming. Stocks also going to open soon, eh? Do not forget about stocks. Yeah, let the market do it once. And we'll see what stocks wants to do. But I think it's coming down. I should actually sell. Oh, we created a fair value gap as well. What is our friend silver doing? Oh, silver climbing again. Fell a lot. You see now, if we remove this, can you guys see what's happening here? If we put this on the 1 minute. So this is the golden zone for the break of structure move over here. There's the break of structure, right? So gold went up and then it came down. It broke the golden zone. It went back. It stopped now and coming down, which means that gold wants to now move to at least over here. You see, now it's going back up to the zone. So we see if it's going to break it or not. If it doesn't break it, stops here, it's definitely going down. Yeah, I will say when I go in. What happened to our Twitch? Oh, here's it. Oh, wait. Shop right by. Die verschil tussen XM 515 en 4 is maar net die servers waarop jou account is. Niks met niks uit te wyn. Dis maar net die server waarop jou account is. Breaking above it, stopping, and then going up. I don't like it when it like breaks it, breaks it, breaks it, breaks it. So this is now showing it will go to the stop over here at 4782. That is what that is now showing. See, and now breaking it down again. What's the lot size trade? Yeah, depends. But normally 0.20s. Then I layer with 0.20s. Ek kan nie sy mind opmaak vandag ek stem fucking saam. Wat is die? Kom ons trek fucking golden zone van bo af. Hierso. Dis waar hy fucking nou weer gedraai het. Ek dink ons gaan maar wag vir nog 25 minute vir stocks om op te maak. We'll wait for the New York stocks. No, then you don't trust it. If it breaks a golden zone like up, down, up, don't trust it. Currently pushing up now to that to the high that it wants to complete there or sweep. Hallo? Ja. Wat? Ek is live met die kliënte nou. Hoekom huil sy so? Nou kom ek praat met haar. Het jy vir hom medisyne gegee? Kyk laat sy 'n bietjie kan doen toe. Ja, ek is net besig met die live met die kliënte en dan gaan ek. Yeah, okay. Okay, bye. Ja, hulle het hy verander ook met selfs met daylight saving, skuif aan 'n uur of so. You buy in which block, Misfit? Which block are you referring to? The one on screen now, this one is a sell block, so you want to kind of see it reject. Like the first time it gets there, is there some sort of rejection, weeks happening? And that's like almost a confirmation. Ek sukkel met Kik die laaste tyd om te stream en disconnecte hom en so aan. So yeah, but I ultimately think this thing is just coming down. I'm still in a sell vibes. Oh, I still wanted to do something here. Nice. Oh, the previous green block. Yeah, if it's this big, then you're gonna struggle, but then you're gonna need to wait for a golden zone. But like you see, it left us. So there's this one of the break of structure here, the last break of structure that it did. But it's so big because now your stop loss is all the way here, so it's not kind of worth it. This one makes more sense to enter here, stop loss here, and then TP above. So if it's such a big block, yeah, it's not that big, but still, you kind of want to make let the risk to reward make sense. I mean, you don't want to risk $40 to make 20. It's not sustainable. Yes, that is correct, Shane Lang. Shane, sorry. Thirteen more minutes for stocks to open. 13 minutes. Yes, Masud, yes. Unless what I'll do is if it's a nice solid break from the start, then I'll enter at high risk because I can handle the drawdown. But because it's not such a nice solid break over here, if this break was here, I was entering like high risk again. Yes. Dis okay as sy nie wil eet nie, sy sukkel met haar mangels. Ja, gee my net medisyne, ek sal nou kom draai daar. Why I drew this line, just many touches and like a channel that it formed. But you see, you can do the same from this way up. Like till here. That's why we're seeing rejection at the bottom, rejections at the top. And if it breaks it, it comes back immediately. See, stops and then down, but then it rejects here. So I just drew it like, because it was like showing a channel. Yeah, it can also be like that. You see, this is a more equal channel that it's currently running in. And then you can also have these highs in. You can also do something like that. So it's just, yeah. If it breaks zones, like if it breaks zones up, golden zones up and then down, and support zones, resistance zones up and down, then I like to, I personally like to look for other lines and stuff that's being respected and try and see what it does there. I'm not going to take a trade on it. It's just I like to do it and then see what it's going to do. Waves, this one. And also, like, if it doesn't break above here to go to this line again, it's always a good indication it might wants to break. Because what we do know is most of the times uptrend channels likes to get broken. So this is also a possibility. But we'll see what stocks does. Stocks opening in 5 minutes. Three more minutes, guys. 3 minutes. Well, your stock's open and they're pushing it down first. Normally they push it in one direction to turn it. Let's see. Ons my pilletjies. Wat het ek oor? Ja, ek het daar nog so 'n paar van hulle. Struggling to break this line. It wants to. It goes Now it needs to break this level. Ja, lyk my alles is reg. Internet is sharp, krag is reg. Ag en ek het maar 'n ander plekkie ook gekry met solar en so aan, so ek trek einde van die maand of so intoe. En lekker solar en goedjies daar. Ja, wat die mark is baie bullish. Ons sal nie weet waar se kant toe hulle wil gaan nie. Ons consolidate nou al vir 'n uur. Vanaf die nuus consolidate ons net. Dis fucking mooi. Guys, are we gonna see the break? Bum, 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 bum. This is what we want to see. Breaking it and rejecting it. Means she would like to come down. You guys see, I was just breaking and then breaking again, and yeah, well, we're not gonna find a nice trade here. We are not. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Break, 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 break. Ja, dis min wat wat trigger. Want ek het my trade idees wat die bot vat vir my net op 80. Maar ja, nee, as hulle trigger hulle doen goed. Van hulle het al lossies gevat. Maar ja, overall is dit in profit. So ek toets nog watse markte. So ek het nou weer nuwe markte ingegooi. Ons sal sien. Range al vir 90 minute. Jep, dit is korrek nou. Yes. Stel en jy? Okay, dit klink lekker. Nou, ek is net live hier so met die kliënte nog. Ja. Okay. Right. Yeah, guys, sorry I'm not reading chat. I'm busy looking at other data here and reading the news. So I really want to find the entry here. There's many things. Like it also depends on what market you trade, at, what type of news you want to look at. So there's many factors of it. Like today's news events, the CPI actually came out good for the dollar. Actually, but the dollar is weakening. So I'm trying to find out exactly why and what's happening. And seeing the dollar weakening means actually gold can just push up more. And we're seeing like a kind of a bull flag happening, so gold might actually push up. Yeah, it's just been consolidating, so we don't really have anything to go on. I think what's gonna happen here is whichever range gets broken, which side of the range, from that to that, and that will be the direction up or down. But yeah, we're gonna wait long for it. Guys, let's call it. I don't know. We're just gonna sit here. I'm gonna take my 160 euro loss. I will take my 160 euro loss. I can't find another entry. Okay, remember Sunday 2 p.m. I'll see you guys Sunday.